Hi, welcome to the BonBi TV farm. Car bring the cow back to their house. Go down now the cows. Yay, we are home. Our meal is raw. It's very yummy and good smell. I'm thirsty. Water for you here. Look, another car coming. Oh, they are our horses. We are come back, brother horse. I'm so hungry. Your fat right here. Great. Sheep and goats coming back. Go down now.
We just finished amazing travel, isn't it?
My dear friend, what?
Yes, I think so. It's great. Now we need to go inside the shower and eating some grass. Oh, the grass very fresh. Yeah, the chicken come back. Hi chicken, our egg almost hatching. Oh, that's yellow sweet corn. The sweet corn tastes so good. Hi everybody, we are home. Hello donkey. We are some hungry. We need some hay now. Oh, the hay is so nice. Dear my little friend, all the animals come back to the house and eat their favorite food. The story is finished. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe to get new videos.